why this challan cum return, electronic challan cum return, what is the necessity? In the series of development of the computerization, the last 1 year, we can say we had some inputs, value additions in the service to the members. That is, when the claim is settled, we used to send the settlement particulars by way of SMS. And similarly, earlier we used to send the amounts through check by post to the bank concerned, and it used to take its own time in normal way of channel of sending by post, and thereafter the concerned branch has to submit in the clearance. So now we are nearly 90% of our payments we are crediting directly from our office through core banking system and NEFT. So these are the two major advantages and services we have added last year, and this year in this process the addition is, if we want to achieve, so earlier used to say issue of the annual statement of account slips. We used to take lot of time. Suppose for example 2011 and 12 is completed. After completion, employer used to file the returns, then we started working. And time given to us is September. Had we done in September, that itself is a great achievement, which was hardly happened in earlier days. And now we have reached to that stage, we can complete it by September. But when we complete it September, you will know the position only your balance as on March 2012. But with this, month-to-month posting is possible, and whatever the amount is posted, we are sending by mail to the employer, because employers are registering with their ID and password. So in turn, whatever amount is paid, automatically it is credited to the member's account. In turn, the information has been passed on to the employers. They can see the month-to-month updation of their members' balances, and they can also send by mail to the members on month-to-month basis. And even if they want, they can take printout and supply to their members whomsoever asks. I used to have such certain requests or complaints from the employers. They say, sir, we have paid, but our workers are under agitation that they have not received the slips, and they wanted to have the slips. All these problems will be addressed by way of this monthly challan cum return. So this another area is employer side. They have to file different returns every month to the Provident Fund Office. Return number 12A and annual returns 3A and 6A. All these returns have been discontinued. They need not file any of these returns. Only thing is one return, that is also by sitting in their office they can file.